Behind the line in 3, 2, 1, go!
Qualification 66 beginning, all 6 robots off that starting line. Looks like a piece, though, of a Blue Alliance robot coming off in this autonomous. Hopefully nothing majorly detrimental for the remainder of the match. 1 piece of coral, 2 now on that level 4. 1 piece on that level 1 as well. Red Alliance side, 3 pieces of coral up on that level 4 as Teleop stops Storm, quickly dropping another piece of coral onto that level 2. Inconceivable going around the field, grabbing some algae from that reef. Storm over trying to play some defense against that Blue Alliance, preventing Warrior Bots from getting at that human player coral station, but Warrior Bots not gonna let that stop them, shoving Storm to the side. Rockin' Robotics placing a piece of algae into the processor for the Blue Alliance, going up from the human player, and it is scored successfully. Inconceivable going for some more coral onto that level 4 reef branch. Wired trying to line themselves up, looks like with a level 3. Unfortunately, just to the side, it does miss. Storm still continuing to play some defense over on the Blue Alliance side of the field. A piece of algae, though, now underneath their robot. Hopefully either the Blue Alliance knocks them off or a Red Alliance member comes and helps Storm get down from that piece of algae. Warrior Bots also getting a piece of algae underneath them, but their teammates able to help them off. A second piece of algae for the Blue Alliance does go through that processing station and is successfully scored by the Red Alliance human player. Warrior Bots going for a piece of coral on that level 4, unfortunately just missing. Luckily for them, does fall into the field, so it can still be scored. Savage placing another coral up on that level 4. Warrior Bots gonna try and finish off that top level of the reef, and they do so successfully. Red Alliance, Inconceivable trying to get that last piece of coral up on level 4 as well. Can they get it? And they do successfully. Storm for the Red Alliance still over, stuck on that piece of algae, doing their best to try and knock themselves off so their teammates don't have to help them, as only 23 seconds remain in that match. The sonar sounds. The barge lights up. Inconceivable lining up with their deep cage, gonna try and get themselves up. Savage on the Blue Alliance gonna try and do the same. Inconceivable up in the air. Savage up in the air. Can the Warrior Bots get up next to them in time with the remaining 3, 2, 1? And it looks like Warrior Bots getting themselves up. Can they stay up enough, though, in order to be counted for a climb? Alliance win 139 to 111. The Blue Alliance walking away with 5 ranking points, 1 from Autonomous, 1 from the Barge, and 3 from the win. Red Alliance did earn the Autonomous ranking point. Unfortunately, though, this does